Rounding numbers. Rounding numbers is a fundamental skill in mathematics that simplifies numbers to make them easier to work with. At this level, we focus primarily on two methods of rounding: rounding to decimal places and rounding to significant figures. Here's a detailed explanation of each method. Rounding to decimal places. Decimal places refer to the digits after the decimal point in a number. When rounding to a specific number of decimal places, you focus on these digits. Steps for rounding to decimal places. Identify the target decimal place. Determine which decimal place you are rounding to, e.g. first, second, third, and so on. Look at the next digit. Check the digit immediately after your target place. Decide whether to round up or down. If the digit is 5 or more, then round up, and if the digit is 4 or less, then leave the last digit as it is. Adjust and truncate. Adjust the target digit accordingly and remove all digits after it. There must be no more digits after the last digit, not even zeros. Here is an example. Round 3.456 to 2 decimal places. The target decimal place is the second digit, which is the 5 in 3.456. The digit next to the 5 is the 6, and since 6 is more than 5, we round up the 5 to 6. The answer is 3.46. Now if we had to round to 1 decimal place, we follow the same method. For example, round 0.843 to 1 decimal place. The target is the first digit, which is the 8 in 0.843. The digit next to the 8 is 4. And since 4 is less than 5, we do not round up, we leave it as it is. You just cancel the digit, which takes you to your answer of 0.8. Significant figures represent the precision of a number, counting from the first non-zero digit. This method is particularly useful for dealing with very large or very small numbers. Steps for rounding to significant figures. Identify the first significant digit. This is the first non-zero digit from the left. Count the required significant figures. Count from the first significant digit to the desired number of significant figures. Look at the next digit. Check the digit immediately after your last significant figure. Decide whether to round up or down. If the digit is 5 or more, then round up, and if the digit is 4 or less, then leave the last digit as it is. Adjust and truncate. Adjust the last significant figure accordingly and remove or change all digits after it to zeros if necessary for whole numbers, or truncate for decimal numbers. Here is an example. Round 0.04567 to 2 significant figures. The first significant digit is 4. Counting 2 significant figures, 0.004567. The next digit is 6. Since 6 is more than 5, round up the 5 to 6. The answer is 0.0046. Here are the key differences. Decimal places focuses on the position after the decimal point. Significant figures focuses on the most meaningful digits in the entire number, regardless of the decimal point.